Over 30,000 USDT free token airdrop will be allocated to you on Weex Exchange just by completing simple tasks. And in this video, I will guide you how to earn USDT free tokens airdrop on Weex Exchange and why I'll be using Weex Exchange and how to sign up and verify Weex Exchange and how to use the Weex Exchange. So Weex Exchange is a platform that has been getting massive attention recently. So guys, before I proceed this video is for educational purposes only, not a financial advice. So guys, there are so many reasons why I'll be using the Weex Exchange going forward, trading the futures and the crypto market. But I will tell you 4 reasons as we proceed in this particular video. And the number 4 reason will make a lot of money for you in 2026. So to get started on Weex Exchange and earn the USDT free token airdrop, you want to click the first link in the description section or the pinned comment section of this particular video, and it will bring you right on this particular interface. So right on this particular interface, this interface is the interface that you're going to use to sign up, verify your account, and also the interface that will guide you through on how you can claim and earn the free USDT airdrop token from Weex Exchange. So you see right here, it said with Bernard welcome bonus, which is my affiliate link because I'm partnered with these guys. Now they say get up to 30,000 USDT. All you have to do is to sign up. I'm going to walk you through how to go about getting the position airdrop step by step and completing the tasks you will tend to do. Now all you want to do right now, first and first, is to go to where it says sign up. Click on sign up, and once you click on sign up, to open a different interface. And now in this particular interface, you will have option for you to sign up with your email, option for you to sign up with your phone number. Now however, you want to go ahead and sign up with an email depending on which one suits you. Now I'm going to go ahead and enter my Gmail right now. Now once you've done that accurately, the next thing you want to do is to make sure the referral code showing right here is there, which is YS7RO, which is the preferred code you use that will earn you and claim your reward, right? Now with that said, the next thing you want to do is to ensure that I have read and agreed the terms and use. Now all you want to do is to go ahead and then click on where it says claim your reward. Now doing that, I'm going to click on claim my reward. So I'm going to complete the puzzle and then click on verify. Now they're going to send me a code. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this code within the time limit they've given me right here. Right. And then next, now they're going to ask me to enter a passcode. Now entering a passcode, now you must enter within the range of 8 to 32 characters, and then a combination of 2 of the following letters, numbers, and special characters. Both uppercase and letters are required. So I'm going to go ahead and enter something really cool. Once I'm done with that, the next thing I want to do is to go ahead and click on next. And by so doing, the next thing that's going to happen is to load up, and here to go, I'm going to accept all cookie. Now they're going to ask me to go to my App Store, Play Store, and get this particular app, because that is where you want to start using this exchange, because this exchange, they already have an app. So you're going to get the best experience using it on the app, which is one of the reasons why I'm going to be using these guys, because they have the most simple and clean interface basically. So that is why I'm going to be using it, which is one reason right there out of 4. So I'm going to click on App Store, and then clicking on App Store, you're going to take me straight up to my App Store right there. And if you're using an Android device, you can go to your Play Store and get it done. You can just go ahead and also search on Weex and then download it. So I already downloaded this. I'm going to go ahead and click on open, and then going to bring me to this interface. However, right here on this interface, this is what it's going to look like. I said, they have the most simple and clean interface, fast in executing, and also this guys gives you the higher ROR when it comes in percent while trading futures. Second reason why I'm going to be using them. So when you're right here now, the next thing you want to do, let's go about and talk about how we're going to be logging in right now by clicking on login. So I'm going to enter the Gmail license, setting up an account. So I've entered the mail, and I'm going to click on next. Right now, I'm going to also complete this puzzle again, and this time around I'm getting this grid right here. I'm going to choose this, this, and this, and then it will load up, and then it will warrant me to like enter my code, which is my password. So I'm going to do that right away. and then I'm going to click on login. So they're going to send me the verification code on my Gmail. So I'm going to go ahead and get that code right away. So once I do that, it's going to automatically log me in, which as you can see now, you want to see they say 32N WXT Weex AI hackathon is coming, P2P, and don't worry, all these rewards or these campaigns are gonna make you a lot of money if you follow how to complete the tasks I will guide you through right here in this particular video. Now the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and verify this account before we can get started on doing the tasks, and that will earn us free USDT airdrop allocation on Weex, right? And then I guide you through how you're going to be using this exchange and also where you can make money with this exchange. Now the next thing you want to do is to go to this top right here, click on it, and then if you watch, basically I'm going to skip this. They said my account is unverified. To verify the account, you just click on it, and once you click on it, the next thing that will happen, I'll go to where I say ID verification. Click on ID verification right there, and you're going to bring me to this interface. Now once it brings me to this interface, what am I going to do? They're going to ask me, I'm a resident or live in. I'm going to say all country except USA. I'm going to click on continue, and then the next thing is they say verify your identity. It will take only 2 minutes. Then the next thing I want to do is to click on continue. So looking right here, showing South Africa. However, I'm going to change it to Nigeria, right? And then click on Nigeria, then click on continue. All right, and then it's your data has been accepted. Then the next thing we want to do is to bring out another interface whereby I'm going to be entering the method of my DOC verification, which is what data will I use to verify. However, they have different methods. They have the NIM method and the BVM method. Now, to fasten things up, I would prefer you tend to use the BVM method. So you're going to go ahead and enter your BVN number, and like I said, if you don't have a BVN, you can use NIN. So to do that, I'm going to paste the BVN right here and then click on continue, right? And by so doing, they're going to tell me your data has been submitted. And guys, right now they're asking me to position my face and then fit the frame. So I'm going to do that and then come back. Once I get that done, in less than a minute, this will verify the account ASAP. So after successfully submitting those information, you're going to see that your account going to be verified looking like this. And if I click right here, it shows ID verified, right? And now another thing you want to do is they say referral code is linked, and then VIP perks. VIP perks is different. So the next thing we want to do is then increase our security limits. Now, if you don't know what security limit is, now the security limit comprises of you linking your phone number, maybe adding Google Authenticator, and then doing all other stuff. Now that way, it increases your security limit for account not to get hacked, and then to keep your account strong. So if you click on security limit right now, all you want to do is to then add a phone number. My email is already linked, then add Google Authenticator. And by adding Google Authenticator, if you click on it, then click on next, you'll be able to add that, and it's easy. To adding phone number, I click on it, you add the number, then they will send you an SMS code and you add that. It's that simple. Now you've understand how to do this. The next thing you want to do is for us to now go ahead, complete stacks that will earn us free airdrop token allocation on Weex exchange. And guys, if you're enjoying this video, enjoying how I'm guiding you through step by step on this particular exchange, all I want you to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and comment down below Weex exchange in the comment section. So before I actually guide you through how we're going to be completing the stacks and claiming our location, here is how you can also trade with these guys. Now before you trade these guys, you want to make sure you deposit, and you can deposit with P2P and whatnot. Now for you to trade with them, they have their futures trading and so on. So the next thing you want to do is to then go ahead and click on futures. Now you see that it's easy and simple. Now let's say you have your leverage, they give you up to over 400x leverage, which is amazing and insane. Now by so doing, you click on confirm, you have 400x leverage, which is to say with little move you get 400 times of your money when you're trading with these guys. It's rare to see an exchange to give you a 400x in trading, right? Trading futures in particular. However, let's say you want to place a trade, you can just come right here, enter the trade, and follow up everything. I'm talking about how to place a trade. I drop signals on a daily basis on my Telegram channel. And if you've not joined my Telegram channel, you want to use the first link in the description section. And this is what my Telegram channel look like. Right here on my Telegram channel, you can see we have over 53,000 subscribers on this channel. And all you want to do is to make sure you're subscribed to this channel and then turn on the post notification. So whenever I drop signals, like I said, drop signals right here, you can place the trade on Weex and then make money. And if you look right here, we've been cooking basically and then making money on our Telegram channel just by copying the trade which is being dropped or which is being sent on the Telegram channel. That way, this is as the same way you can enter limit order trade. You can go ahead, come right here and also enter the limit order, changes to limit, and then please like no BS right here, and you can change this to USDT so that you can leverage buy the USDT or lot. And this guy gives lot instead of leverage. So right, so you have one lot, you have and so on and so on. So I'm going to use USDT, then click on search, then how much USDT are you willing to raise, then you enter it, then open long and open short. That's it, right? So now you understand that here is how you can also complete tax and in free USDT allocation on Weex Exchange. To get that done, come to home, and then at the top right here you're seeing this $30,000. Click on it, and then when you click on it, to bring you to the interface where you're going to complete the tax and in this airdrop allocation to the account, right? So you're going to load up real quick. All right, so looking right here, they said get up to 30,000 USDT. You can see the reward, and now new users, secure your account, and all you want to do is to just follow up the tax and then you claim this reward. Now the first reward right here is 400 position airdrop, which is 50x. Now this 50x, basically you get this 400 position reward. Now this airdrop, now you can more of this airdrop and then you can transform it to USDT depend on what each allocation airdrop worth. Now for you to get this particular airdrop, first thing first, they said the tax right here, you need to link your phone number and your email to get the 400 position airdrop. And how do you do that? You just click on link, and then you see I've already linked my email. So the next thing I want to do is to link phone number. And to link phone number, I'm going to choose my country, region. Maybe if you're in Nigeria, you can just come right here and search Nigeria and then choose and then enter the phone number accurately. And once you do that, you're going to send an SMS code for this phone number. Also, another way you can verify the phone number, if the reward part keep giving issue, you can just come to security, go to phone number, and then do it right here. So I'm going to come right now and then change to Nigeria. Look for my country because there's a lot of country right here alphabetically. Then you enter the number accurately. Now entering this number require you to enter the number you can receive text from, so that you won't start looking for where the code they will send to you will go. I'm going to click on send. This you're going to see where it says send code. Now this still says too many attempts. So what you want to do, since you're getting this option, all you have to do is to wait for like an hour and then you continue the process until you get it verified. Once you get your phone number verified, that's you've complete the first tax, and then you're going to claim 400 reward points. Now they also have the one whereby you have to deposit, and now when you deposit, the maximum of days you hold your deposit will determine how you're going to get the 3,000 reward. Now you're going to hold this for maybe 7 days, which is the average holding. You deposit at least 100 USDT. So the maximum of days you'd hold your deposit on your Weex Exchange account would determine your airdrop allocation. Now once you deposit 100 USDT, you don't need to even trade. All you want to do is to hold it in an account, and then it will be reading right here, and then your reward will be accumulating. All right, so the part that they said trade, where you have 0 to 8,000 USDT. So 0 to 8,000 USDT is trading volume. Now if you've deposited maybe 50 USD here or 100 USD, like they said, because that's the max you need to deposit to claim the 3,000 airdrop reward, which is going to worth a lot of money. Now once you deposit 100 USDT, and then all you want to do is to at least trade up to 1,000 USDT, and it's easy to trade 1,000 USDT. And how do you do that? Now, I drop signals on my Telegram channel all the time. If you have not joined the Telegram channel, you can go ahead and use the link in the description section to join the Telegram channel. Now, all the trades or signals I'm going to be dropping, all you want to do is to just place the trade, and it's easy to place the trade because I've shown you in this video right now. Place the trade and then you make profits. So once you make the profit, your trading volume increases, and it's easy to accumulate 1,000 USDT trading volume, right? So that is all you need right here. So you don't need to deposit 1,000 USDT. Is after you've deposited the 100 USDT, then you trade up to 1,000 USDT in volume, not in real cash, right? And that way you get this right here being filled, and once this bar is being filled, you will claim this 3,000 a position airdrop. And if you click on details, you can see make a next deposit of not equal to 100 USDT and hold for 1 consecutive day. So you're actually holding for 1 consecutive day. I didn't even open this, and I told you for 7 days. So you hold it for at least for 24 hours, and then you will be eligible. And then secondly, you trade the futures trading volume for 1,000 USDT. So it's volume, like I said, not real cash. So you trade volume. The volume is like as you place a trade, maybe $100, or you place a trade of maybe $10 stop loss, then the movement and the pips you, or the RRU you make, are like volume. So those activities you do, they're how they calculate the volume, and then you get up to 1,000. If you even place 2-3 trades, you might get up to 1,000 USDT in volume. So once you've done that, the next you want to do is to then go ahead and then claim the reward. Now the last one, which is going to give you also 20 USDT, is if you tend to refer your friend, and then those your friend refer tend to make at least 100 USDT deposit, you get 20 USDT instant. So this is just for like if you want to invite a friend, right? So that is how it works. Now you've understand how this tax works. Now let me now explain the fourth reason why I'm going to be using Weex exchange. Now Weex exchange is a centralized exchange like Bybit, Bitget, KuCoin, CoinX, and a lot of all these exchanges. Now, and you want to know that every exchange have their native token, and these their native token are like their own personal coin, like Bitcoin and all of that. Now, why is good to as well invest in exchange token? Because these exchange tokens, they have good potentials, they have good background, good backings, and then developers and KOLs tend to promote these guys and tend to also invest more on exchange token, which always helps it to rally so fast and make a lot of money. Now if you come to CoinGecko and then let's say you search, let me use KuCoin, right? The KCS, so KuCoin is the KCS, and if I click on KCS, basically I'm just using this for instance. Now you want to see that this token is valid as at the time I'm recording this video for $10, right? And there was a time when the KuCoin value was as low as $1. So you get how these things work. Now you can see right here the price of KuCoin as at November 2019 was $1, and this token rally all the way to over $24 basically in 2021. And you can see how this movement is, because the reason why this rally happened is because this token is a exchange token. That makes sense. And trust me, if you should invest on this particular kind of exchange token, because exchange token is one of the best tokens to invest in. If you should invest on more of exchange token, you will have potentials to make a lot of money in the long run, because as long as that token or that exchange keep trending, the people going to buy more of their token. And you can see that KuCoin is not even trading compared to bigger tokens like that of Bybit, like that of Binance, and a lot of them. So those tokens give you edge. Now I can remember Bitget. I know when Bitget was at 0.001. Let's check Bitget. That's it there, the BGB token. Let me click on it and open it. Now you can see that the BGB token is now valued at $3, but as at 2024, BGB token was as low as 0.001. I remember when that, and a friend told me to as well buy some few token of the BGB token, though I bought, but I also sold it off. And then after which, all of a sudden, it rallied all the way to over $8 in price. So this is how exchange token works, and you should know how many percent if you should hop on early exchange token as fast as possible. Now let's come back home to Weex Exchange. Now, if you want to see right now, you want to see that the Weex Exchange, they have their token, and you can see it basically. Now, if I come to right on the Weex now, you can see that their token right now, as at the time I'm recording this video, is valued at 0.028. How cool is this? Now, you want to understand that making money in the crypto market determine how early you hop on the market. And if you watch right here, it has grown up to over all-time high of over 0.04. Now you want to see that it's at 0.02. Now if you should invest in this particular token and then hold for, let's say, from now to 2026, you should be making a lot of money in 2026. I'm pretty sure about this. This is not a financial advice, this is not an investment advice, but this is just a simple understanding the reason why I'm going to be using this exchange, so that why I'm trading with these guys, it will also be boosting their visibility, will also be boosting their reach, and also I'm going to be talking about them, and also I'm going to be investing also on this WXT token. And trust me, if you should buy now and this token tend to go to 0.1, if you put $100, you should be making over $1,000 or more. That is how this stuff works, guys. And that is why I'm gonna be, using the Weex Exchange, because of the potential and their token, and also their incentive and other benefits that they have. And guys, all you want to do right now is to sign up. Use the link in the description section. Make sure you sign up, complete the task, and claim your reward. And if you have a little box, make sure you accumulate some WXT exchange token, and you're gonna thank me later in 2026. And if you enjoyed this video, all I want you to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and tell me what you think. And you want to see that BNB token, and I'm not really going too far. The BNB token, I remember when BNB token was way back 30 USD, and right now BNB token is 888 USD, and which is the Binance token. And you all know that Binance is as popular as whatever. So this is how it starts with the WXT. So understand this strategy, understand the trick and the psychology on exchange, and then hop on good exchange token, buy and hold for a long time, and thank me later. Until I see you in my next video, keep winning, stay safe, and peace out.